Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about creating this black glittery smoky eye with this intense berry lips, and this is all for Christmas. I got this dress for Christmas and I came across few products which were absolutely in coordination with this dress, and I thought I'll just put all of these things together, and also using few of the products which I've loved over the year, and I came up with this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. So starting with the face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is in the shade number 230, which is Natural Buff, and I'll be using that with my Gabriella Salvete makeup sponge, and I'll be applying that all over my face. Moving on to concealer, today I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige, and blending it out with the same Gabriella Salvete makeup sponge. Next, I'll be baking my face, and I'll be going back to my all-time favorite Lakme Rose Powder. This is in the shade number 01 Soft Pink, and I love to bake my makeup with this. While the powder is doing its job of baking, I'll move ahead with my eyebrows, and today I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. This is in the shade number Medium Brown, and it comes with these two ends, one with the crayon and the other one with a spoolie. And to set my brows, I'll be using the Eyebrow Gel Mascara from Gabriella Salvete. Next, it's time to take away all of that powder, and I'll be using the Gabriella Salvete powder brush to take away and dust away all of that loose powder. Since we are starting with the eyes, I thought I'll just zoom you guys in a bit so that you all can see the colors much more perfectly. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit of my go-to washi tape, and I'm going to apply that on both my eyes. So I'm going to start with a soft brown color as a transition shade, and I'll be taking the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette and going to that beautiful shade which is called Pure Chocolate. This is one of my most loved and used shade from this palette. I've had this palette for ages now, and I think it was one of my initial eyeshadow palettes. Next, I'll be taking the shade called Burgundy Nice from the same Makeup Revolution palette, and this is a gorgeous burgundy color, and I'm taking this color because I want it to be very similar to the lip color that I use. I'll be applying that only on the outer 2/3 of my eyelid and more towards the bone and not towards my eyelashes. Next, I'll be taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and this is a very old brush that I have. I don't even know the brand name. I've used it too much. I'll be taking a matte black color, and for that I'll be using my YouStar I Love Matte eyeshadow palette. I have done a complete full face on a matte look using this palette, and I use this for the eyeshadows, so I'm going to leave a link to that video below. So I'm going to take that beautiful black color from this YouStar palette, and I'm going to take it on a flat brush and very carefully apply it on the inner corner of my eyelid, just placing it there because I don't want to mess it up, and I don't want the eyeshadows to be too intense on the edge. Of course, it's a dramatic, intense look, but take your time when working with dark shades like black. To blend these colors together, going back with my Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. At this point, if you think that the black eyeshadow has crossed the limit that you would not want it to be in that place, you can always go ahead and correct it. But I'm kind of happy with the way it is, the placement of the colors so far. I'm not really concerned of this part yet because I'll be going ahead with something glittery. Okay, so the stuff that I was talking about, I have always wanted to own one of these. This is the Wet n Wild Glitter Eyeshadow Singles. This is kind of an old product, and they have now come up with few more colors, but I saw this in store a few days back, and this shade is called Karma. It's a beautiful black color with silver glitter in it, and the moment I saw it, I knew it matches exactly to my dress that I'm wearing, and I thought this has to be something that I buy just to create the Christmas makeup look. So I've taken that on my finger and I'm going to apply that starting from the center of my eyelid just to see how that looks. The next thing that I'll be doing with the upper eyelid is applying a winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this liquid eyeliner from Bourjois, Paris. The next step would be drawing a winged eyeliner on the inner corner. It's very tricky, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna continue with the line of the upper lash line that I've just applied, and I'm gonna try to get it down following the natural curve and coming inside. I'm gonna take my time because I've done my face and I don't want to mess up anything. It's like sort of drawing a small triangle on the inner corner. Okay, after 15 minutes of struggle, I think I've nearly aced it, and I'm not going to do anything more with the inner corner of my eyes. So now it's time to take these babies off, and we have like this perfect winged eyeliner. I'm gonna move ahead with my lower lash line. I have this gel eyeliner pencil from ProArte. This is in the shade black, and that's all we need today. I'll be applying it on my waterline, and I will also be tight lining my eyes with the same pencil. Next, I'll be taking a very small and thin defined brush, and I'll be going back with that shade called Karma from the Wet n Wild glitter singles, and I'll be applying that on my lower lash line. Alright, we're nearly done with the eyes, and now let's complete the rest of the face. I'm going to start with a bit of bronzing, and today I'll be using the e.l.f. bronzing and the highlighting palette. It's a duo. This was something that I got from Chicago from my brother, and I'll be using this gorgeous bronzer here on a small tapered bronzing brush. This is again from e.l.f. and I'll be using that to just warm up my face a bit. I'm gonna move ahead and finish the eyes with some mascara, and today I'll be using the Unlimited mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I was contemplating if I should use some false lashes for this look because it's so dramatic, it's so extra, but this mascara just does the job. You don't really need false lashes if you're having a good mascara and you're layering it pretty well. I wanted to keep the blush very neutral, so I'll be taking the Essence Matte Touch blush. This is in the shade number 20, Bury Me Up. It's a gorgeous, very pretty pink color, but it looks very neutral on my face. So I'll be using that with my Wet n Wild blush brush, and I'll be applying that on the apples of my cheek. Finally, it's time for some highlighter, and today I'll be using the Gabriella Salvete Lumi and Glow powder. Now this is in the shade number 01, and all the products that I've used from Gabriella Salvete, I have already done a video of a full face using just the products that I received from them. So I'm going to leave a link to that video below, so make sure that you're going ahead and checking that. And for my lips today, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris liquid lipstick. This is from their chocolate collection, and the shade that I'm going to go forward with is Cacao Crush. It's been one of my favorite and personally loved shades from this collection, and I thought it would really team up with this smoky eye, and that's why I was using the burgundy shade on the transition. And let's just end the year on a very cherry note. And I've already done a review on these lipsticks. I'm going to leave a link to that below, so make sure that you watch that as well. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great fun playing with the glitters and creating this intense dark smoky eye. I wish you all a wonderful and amazing Christmas and a wonderful and relaxed time with your family. No matter where you are, I hope you are not alone. I'm gonna see you all soon with a new video, probably with a New Year's makeup look, which is a New Year's Eve makeup look, and I'll be using more colors in that video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you all soon with a new video. Lots of love. Bye.